At maraming mga lola pala dyan, mga taga-Sambo ba, senior citizen ng San Jose, Angeles City. Hello. We have some friends here, okay, from Australia. All right, Australia. Are you from Australia? Are you, no? Your name is?
Andrew.
Andrew, welcome to Wawawin, okay? You want to say hello to everybody?
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone in the place and in the Philippines.
Are you here for vacation or?
Yeah, vacation, visiting family and friends.
Are you? Your wife is a Filipina?
Yeah.
Where is she?
She's
here.
yeah. Here she is now. Yeah.
That's your wife, okay? Ma'am?
Yep.
Sitting down? Hindi naman pala ikaw ang kasama ng mga ito. Nakikupo kayo dito. Ma'am, welcome sa Wawawin. Ano ang pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Daisy.
Ma'am Daisy, okay.
Daisy Pajardo Bracken.
All right. Say hello to everyone, your family.
Hello. Hello back in Australia. We're here in Wawawi with Willie.
We're in Australia.
In Sydney.
Sydney,
Yes.
okay. So you have kids? Only daughter? That one also. Hello, welcome, okay? I have something for you. Okay, this is for you, ma'am. One jacket. Oh, okay. This is for you, a souvenir. And also for you. Okay, I'll give you my CD, okay? CD for you, all right?
Thank you.
Okay. What do you want to say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Palapakan natin from Australia, di ba? At siyempre sa lahat po ng gusto manood po ng Wawawin, halina po kayo, mag-email lang po kayo sa wawawin@gma@yahoo.com.ph. At siyempre po, today is April 14. Ito po, sa April 18 po, makikita nyo bago na po ang set natin. Alright? So, bago na rin po ang ating tahanan. Nandito na po tayo sa bahay. Ito dati pa. April 18 po, nasa GMA studio na po ang Wawawin! Halina po kayo, tumawag na po kayo. Halina kayo dahil ang ganda ng studio natin. GMA 7 na tayo. Bagong studio, malamig, masaya. Sa GMA Network Center at sa corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Diyan lang po yan sa kanto ng Timog. Yung GMA 7 Tower, yung studio, napakasarap po dyan. At yung mga vendors na kinakainan namin dyan ng fishball, kikiam, at kung ano-ano pa, hotdog. Nako, mag-i-enjoy kayo. What's that? What's that for?
Pampremyo po, Kuya Willie.
Oh. Wow. Thank you. Hindi sa iyan, akin yan. Okay lang, seryoso. Bibigay ko. Wow, this is about 100 Australian dollars?
Yes.
Is it Australian?
Opo.
Wow, thank you for prices?
Yeah. Yep.
Wow,
Whatever you want to do with it.
you're so generous. Thank you,
No
ma'am.
worries.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh. Ayan, ha? Thank you so much.
Happy to do it.
Hahanapin natin yung pwedeng pagbigyan nito na nakakailangan. Hindi ba yun nakakailangan? So, hanapin natin. We'll give it to you later, mamaya po. Thank you so much. We will keep this, of course, for some people who really need the money. Okay? We will give it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay? No, I'm saying is, we will give, no, that's too much. Ma'am, too much. No, I'm just joking. A total of 200 Australian dollars.
Yes, 200.
We will keep this sa ating po mga subscribers po ng Pinoy TV. Ito po itatago namin para po sa mga kapuspalad natin mga kababayan dito sa Pilipinas.
That's correct.
Tatago namin to from Australia, from this family, have given us 200 Australian dollars. Ito po ay para sa inyo, hindi po para sa programa. It will be kept para po maibigay sa inyo sa mga nangangailangan. Thank you so much. We will keep this, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Alapakan natin ang family ito. Okay. Right? Thank you so much. Yan, ha?